and dip it into white chocolate that I color in green. There we go. And we're gonna pour it straight away into ice cube, and we're gonna leave it like this. Perfect. And once you have your chocolate completely frozen, we're gonna take out the plastic wrap that is around and take out the shell really carefully. Make sure that you can also put it back into the water to help you take it out. Look at that, amazing. Make sure that it's freeze all the sides. And when you have your shell like this, you're gonna take a fork and slowly, you're just gonna scrape like that. I'm just gonna flip it like this. And we're gonna come back to our beautiful ice cream here. And I'm gonna put a nice ice cream scoop on the first one. And I just heat a plate here, just like that. And we're gonna stick the first one to the second to create a nice Grinch bowl. Perfect. And with a little paper cone, I'm just gonna put 2 little dots here. I have 2 Smarties that I pre-cut, and I'm gonna take back my cone, and we're gonna just do some chocolate here, just like that. And we're gonna do the mouth. Perfect. We're gonna keep them on the side and move on with our ice cone. So I have my ice cream cone here. We're gonna take one, and with my iron, we're gonna just spray some water at the top of the ice cream cone, just like that. Make sure that the top is wet. Perfect, really good. I'm just gonna put my ice cream cone like this to make sure that it stays. And we're gonna start ironing the cone just like this to make it soft. Perfect. Once you have your ice cream cone ready, you can pull it a little bit just to make it curvy, really carefully and slowly to don't break it. Once you have the nice little shape like this, we're gonna pour it into chocolate. So I have my ice cream cone here and white chocolate color in red. So we're just gonna dip it. Make sure that this chocolate is going all the way to the top. We're gonna take out the excess of chocolate. Perfect. I'm just gonna put the beanie right with the other right here. Perfect. And we're gonna keep going with our big marshmallow that we're gonna burn. Perfect. We're just gonna take out the burn part, just like this. And with fluff that we have here, I'm gonna take the ice cream cone and we're just gonna create the Santa hat, just like this, all the way around. And then you burn it again and you keep going until you have the quantity you want. Perfect. I have the marshmallow all over my cone here. Just gonna put it into my plate, and I'm gonna finish with mini marshmallow that I cut to have the sticky part. Little beanie there. That'll go directly on our head. So cool. Perfect. And the last one. Press a little bit to make sure that it stays to the head. And voila! Merry Grinchmas!